25 degrees to your right. Change the position of the palm. Forward, wait. Shift weight. Left hand to your lower ab, drop that. Left elbow a little, drop down. Up. Then circle, up and twist. 45 degrees and center line. Don't move. Left hand, raise up in front side of your body. Palm heel to palm heel. And then twist, face front. Shift weight, extend the palms a little forward. Relax, don't move. Drop elbows. Check elbows. Overlap the palm. 1, 2, 3. Drop. Okay, steady, steady. Straight yung gamot ko rin. Musiko na pa-face down. Extend. Sit back. Hold the hands to the upper chest. Siko, liwatos tuyo. Siko, liwatos tuyo. Push. Sit back, hold ball. 45 degrees. Guard up. Shift forward. Don't move, huh? Don't move, huh? Okay. Position for roll back. 1, 2, 3. Roll back. 1, 2, and twist. 3. Down. Scoop left hand. 1, 2, 3. Don't move. Now, since you're twisting your waist, your knee should still be right. Palm heel to palm heel without turning or doing anything. Face front. Twist from the waist. Shift forward, drop the elbow and your shoulder naturally. Naturally. Extend, overlap the palm, drop the elbow naturally. Make your chest straight. Drop it. Hold the hands to the upper chest. 1, 2, 3. Upper chest complete. Push. Relax shoulders. Face palm.